You can get these magnetic organizers for free. They organize your tools, keep them held in, and best of all, can be stuck where you're working. I will show you where to download the STL files so that you can configure your G-code. Then, I'll walk you through the assembly process so that you can upgrade your toolbox. First, you'll want to download the STL files by following the link in the description. A full video of the design process is also here for your viewing pleasure. Next, you'll want to open up your slicer so you can configure the G-code. Use the settings that work best for you, but there are some settings you'll want to change for this print. First, turn off supports as they are not needed. You will, however, have to turn on bridging for the slots. For longer organizers, you might have to turn them sideways on the build plate. It's a good practice to ensure your line directions are modified to run 45 degrees to any edge. Lastly, I use 20% infill, but you can always go denser. Apply these settings to both the socket and wrench organizers. Now send this off to a 3D printer so that we can begin assembly. I chose to print in black because it doesn't get as dirty as quickly. I redesigned these organizers for you guys so that instead of screws and plate covers, you can just slide the magnets right in. These magnets are linked in the description. If you really want to, you can always plug the hole with some glue, but once the sockets and wrenches are added, the magnets will be held in their place. Keep in mind that these organizers were made for my specific tools, so they might not fit your sockets and wrenches perfectly. To get these organizers perfect, I spent hundreds of hours designing and iterating them, but I still want people to have it for free. All I ask for in return is for you to subscribe and stay tuned for my future projects. I hope you guys enjoy these magnetic socket and wrench organizers.